Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a ton of free XP on Fortnite in Chapter 4. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. So the first thing you want to do is go to the right side of your screen and change the game mode. So from here you want to click island code, and then you want to paste in the code that I'll leave in the description below. As soon as you paste in the code, you want to click enter, and then from here you want to click play. Here, set it to a private game and then click play. While it loads, take this opportunity to smash that like button and subscribe to see more content like this. After it loads, you want to go ahead and start the game. After starting the game, you want to run over to this corner right here and line yourself up exactly with the tiles as displayed. From here, you just want to keep moving your character and view until you can find this button. Once you find that button, hold down on it until the circle fully fills. After clicking that button, you want to look to your right and find these three green numbers. From here, you want to change each one of these numbers. The first number you want to change to 7. Now with this, you have to go very slowly or else the numbers will change very quickly and you can't go back. So let's go ahead and change the first number to 7, the next number to 1, and then the last number to a 5. After changing all three numbers, you want to look towards the wall and find the click button. From here, you want to hold down on the click button, and then after that, you want to look down at the ground and then click the button again to activate the timer for teleportation. After that, you have to wait 600 seconds, which is 10 minutes, so I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. Now, after waiting all this time, you're going to be teleported to a room where you're going to be bouncing on a bouncer, but from here, you want to get off the bouncer and find all those green squares. And as soon as you find these green squares, you just want to walk through them and you're going to start earning a ton of XP. But not only will you earn XP from the game, but you're going to also finish quests which will earn even more XP. Now after you're done going through the green squares, you can come back to the bouncer and earn even more AFK XP by just sitting on the bouncer and just earning all that XP. Now I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, again, subscribe and like, and also a huge shout out to Legend King Toby for making this map. And yeah, thanks for watching.